Kaiser Tool Company is a family business, and many of my coworkers have worked here a long time, which really gives it a family feel. We've remained dedicated to our three principles of quality products, fast delivery, and superior customer service. We make everything right here in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and source everything we can from U.S. suppliers. We've had a number of our tools qualify for U.S. patents. Our tooling was used on the Mars rover. We've expanded the building, effectively doubling our manufacturing space, and then we remodeled the older shop to match the new shop. It's amazing to think that a product developed in the 1960s is still relevant today. It really speaks to the strengths of our product and the dedication of our employees.
For more information, visit our website at thinbit.com or call us at 888-ThinBit.